In this video, I'm going to show you how to search in Google Play Books. To begin, open your Google Play Books app. At the very top of your screen, you will see a search bar. Tap on it once and then type in the name of the book you are looking for. Once you enter the title, simply search for it and you will be able to see different versions of that book appear on your screen. If you want to refine your search, tap on the filter icon located at the upper left-hand side of your screen. Here you can adjust a number of preferences to find books that suit your needs. For example, you can choose the format of the book you want, whether it's an ebook or an audiobook. You can also set your budget. If you only want free books, simply move the price bar to the far left. If you are open to paid books, you can adjust the bar to set your desired price range. In addition to this, you can filter books based on star ratings, abridgment, or other available preferences. If you scroll further down, you will also find the option to choose the language in which you want your book. Google Play Books gives you the flexibility to select from a variety of languages so that you can read in the one you are most comfortable with. There's also a filter for children's books where you can pick age ranges, starting from less than 5 years old up to 13 and above. Once you have set all your desired filters, simply tap on Apply, and your results will refresh according to the criteria you selected. And this is how you can search in Google Play Books.